Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the latest updates for the MN82, and also I'm going to talk about the coming plans to make the MN82 perform better in rock crawling, crawling in general, and also for sand and all this stuff. So let's start our video. The first thing that you will notice that I have got the fender or the front bumper or whatever you call it, and the reason for that is to make it better in climbing or crawling for obstacles. So for example, like this. It's also good for appearance, and also you will notice the old fender right here. I've just fit it up, and this is all about the body updates. So let's go to inside the truck. Now we have opened the truck, and as you can see, I've installed the outrunner brushless system. This is the motor, this is the ESC for it, the cable management, and also I've added some LED lights to the front here, but unfortunately they just turn on when you switch the start button, or this button right here, because it's connected directly to the receiver or receiver channel. There is no specific button to make it turn on or off from the transmitter. And also guys, you will notice the front shocks or suspension. These are the old ones, but I've changed the spring right here for the to the stock one that comes with the MN82. But next plan is to put 90 millimeters shocks from Injora, so it's going to be much better in terms of clearance, shocks length, and yeah, you will see in the coming videos. Also, my next plan is to change these tires and wheels too. I've already ordered wheels from Injora and tires from, I can't remember the company, but the most important thing is the wheels are coming from Injora. And also I made a modification here for the rear suspension. As you can see here, it's different from the stock placing. I made this leaf spring come above the axle, the rear axle, so it gives you better clearance in crawling. Now I'm going to put this truck together and show you the performance for the brushless system and also for the suspension system. And also I will remove these springs to give it better articulation. Let's start. As you will notice, the LED lights are doing great performance. So let's start our test. Yeah, look at the rear tire, guys. I hope this tire doesn't move. Very slowly. Yeah. Look at the suspension, guys. Look at the clearance. Look at the length of the shocks. It can still come like that. They are definitely better, guys. Now I'm going to show you why I've got the front bumper. Let's test crawling these two tires. Yeah, there is some hesitation, as you can see from the brushless system. Yeah. Look at the suspension, guys. Let's just hold these tires so they don't move. But the brushless system overall is definitely better than the 370 motor. Faster, better torque, and all this stuff. But the only issue with it is this hesitation, as you can see. It's very annoying actually. Especially while you're crawling or something like that. You will hit the full throttle, but it doesn't respond. Look at that. I don't know if there is a better motor for better outrunner brushless that is better and can fit the MN82 gearbox. Let me know in the comments, guys. So that's all about our today's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video, but I promise you there are some videos are coming very soon. As soon as the products arrive to me, I'm going to make a video at that time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next video.